Today, it isn't enough to rely on a single job to build a secure financial future. There are too many uncertainties, and it's too easy to find yourself on the wrong side of a company-wide mass firing. Never has the need to create a source for passive income been greater. But where do you start? How do you have your money work for you? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 6 websites where you can actually start making some side cash, earning $100 a day or even more. And the best part is, you don't have to quit your 9-to-5 job. You can make this money working in your free time. Are you ready? Let's get to it. So what exactly are we talking about when we say passive income? The idea is that you put in the work once, and the money should keep rolling in without you having to do any more work. This can be a great way to build your business if you're just getting started. However, it can also be fairly tough to figure out how much money you should be earning with passive income. That's why it's important to understand exactly what kind of passive income you want before jumping into it. So the first opportunity for passive income online is YouTube. Yep, the same place you're watching this video. Super meta, right? YouTube is an awesome platform for making money. But what's even more awesome is that you don't have to be a professional videographer or have any special equipment to make money with YouTube. You just need a camera and some editing skills. The key with YouTube is creating content that your audience needs and is actively looking for. Whatever your area of expertise, there is someone out there searching for an answer you can provide. Those type of how-to or guidance videos do well, but you can also do more of a current events or vlogging style of video. It might take longer to find your audience, but once you do, the earning potential is pretty high. The second website is Amazon. And while there are a lot of active ways to make money on Amazon, there's also a couple great passive ones too. One of my favorites is through Kindle Publishing, also known as ebook publishing. You don't have to be an established author or find a publishing company to do this. You can actually do this from the comfort of your home and start earning some passive income. Sounds awesome, right? And the best part is, it's absolutely free. All it takes is an idea for a book. You can even hire a ghostwriter to create it for you based on your idea. Once you have your ebook up on Amazon, you make money every time someone purchases it. Actually, while Amazon is a big daddy for online publishing, there are a lot more hoops to jump through than there used to be. So you might want to check out one of the newer online publishing options that have been popping up in recent years. So the third on our list is ClickBank. ClickBank is a marketplace that sells digital products and services, often at a pretty high commission. This is what you might have heard of as affiliate marketing. ClickBank is the largest affiliate marketing site out there, but you have to pick your products carefully. Sure, some pay as much as 75% commissions, but some only pay 5%. So do a bit of research to find the right option. To get started with ClickBank, simply head over to their site by searching it on YouTube. You'll be taken directly to the affiliate platform where you can pick something you'd like to sell and start making money. Fourth is another great tool, Flippa.com. Flippa is a #1 marketplace for buying and selling online businesses. It attracts a huge audience, and it offers great tools to increase visibility. It's an auction site, really much like eBay, for those selling and buying digital assets, such as websites, apps, domains, Shopify stores, and Amazon FBA accounts. If you're good at making apps or even websites, you could use that skill to make some money by flipping online properties. Or better yet, if you have some money lying around and you're interested in buying either websites, apps, or e-commerce stores, which are already making money, then Flippa is for you. The fifth option for passive income online is great if you love photography or you make music. It's a website named Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a marketplace where you can buy or sell digital media. They're kind of like Picarto, but with a little more control over your content and a lot more flexibility. If you have super talented friends who love taking pictures and making videos, maybe they're photographers or musicians, then Shutterstock is a place for them. Shutterstock allows users to earn money by selling their media. You can get paid a commission in every sale that your content generates. You'll be able to receive some compensation in exchange for providing content through Shutterstock. There are also different levels of participation on this platform, so check out their terms of use when you sign up. Finally, this is a site you probably heard of, but you might not realize it can be used for passive income. It's Fiverr.com. As you might know, Fiverr is a freelance site where you can literally outsource anything, as long as it's legal, for as little as $5. There's so many different ways to make money on Fiverr. You can do animations, logo design, packaging design, web and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture, and floor planning. The list goes on and on. If there's anything that can be outsourced, you'll most likely find it on Fiverr. But that also means you have the opportunity to sell a service that you've been able to systematize so that your work involvement is negligible, but you can still bring in income. Once you've set up your system and have automated it, then you just need to post up the gig on Fiverr and start bringing in the paying jobs. The truth is, looking for ways to have a better life is a never-ending journey. You always need to be on the lookout for side hustles, but that's normal. The journey to financial freedom isn't necessarily an easy one. That's why it's important that you have a side hustle that is going to help you achieve your goals and dreams. This might include things like running an online business or even just starting your own blog. Whatever it is, there are tons of ways that you can leverage your time and skills in order to make money online. In fact, check out this video where I share 5 online side hustles that you can start right away to start earning money. See you there!